Okay, YouTubers, I didn't think that was going to come out true. There's no way I could have got 72 miles to the gallon. Okay, I did the same thing. And the speed, the mileage-ometer, so you can see it. Right there. That's the mileage. And this time, we only got 41.13 gallons. Miles to the gallon. I'm going to do this one more time, and you see the timestamp on this, the date on this, okay? So, the timestamp, that's 2 o'clock, and that is 13, that's 1 o'clock. So, I'm going to try this one more time, but still, 41 miles a gallon. That is 6 more miles to the gallon with the 1.5 scoop of, there's 1.5 tablespoons of KOH, and then we did the same mileage on the dot. So we'll try this one more time. That might be been a fluke right there. It might have got that, but I filled it up the same way I did the last time. All the way up the neck. So it might be fluctuating in between that. So I'd rather have that one. I would love to have that one right there. But that one is all right too for 41.13 miles to the gallon. Okay, I'll see you back one more time. We're going to do this one more time. And then I'm going to take the upper bubbler out and put that valve in there so I can get air through there. So see if that works, helps on the gas too. So I might not have enough time today to do that, but we're definitely going to do that tomorrow if I don't. So I'll see you in the vids. Thank you, YouTube. Let me put this up. This is David, my hydrogen generator. See you later. Bye.